Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's Yogshaala. Chalo, let us get ready for few exercises which will involve our both the legs and both the arms. Okay? Now, here you go get into the squat and punch to the right side. Squat and punch to your left side. Let's get ready, and here you go. Down and punch. 2, punch. 3, punch. 4, punch. 5, 6, punch. 7, punch. 8, punch. 9, 10, 10 more, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Punch and shake your legs. Breathe. Now, what we want to do is, please watch from the side. You take your leg behind and lift it up. Back, lift, back, lift, back, lift. Come on, get ready. And go. Back, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change again. Change the legs. And here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And other side, the last. And here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move your arms. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, getting into a sumo squat. Dono haath. Do not lock your fingers. Just keep them on your back and go side to side. Okay? Just the upper body. And here you go. Down, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come back.